Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today we are going to play some 9-ball versus the Ghost. So the Ghost is a great way to practice when you are playing by yourself. So what the Ghost is you just play 9-ball, and then if you miss, you break, and then you get ball in hand after the break, no matter what happens. If you scratch, you get to keep going on the break. No matter what happens, even if you don't make a ball, you get ball in hand on the break. But if you miss anywhere throughout the rack, the Ghost wins that game. So even though I broke right here, we still get ball in hand and get to run out the rack. If we do not run out the rack, the Ghost wins that game. So it's all about just building your stamina in the game and running through your patterns. So this is honestly one of the best, if not the best, ways to improve your game. Playing the Ghost. It's a pretty fun challenge, in my opinion, to beat the Ghost. It's not as easy as you might think. Just if you get out of line in one area, it could change your whole entire mindset for the game against the Ghost and that individual rack. So it also helps you with your mental game. So that is what a successful rack of Ghost Ball looks like. I did play it a bit fast, but this rack I'll try to see if I can run it out again and give you guys a little more commentary on what I'm actually doing, rather than just what Ghost Ball is. But usually people will play Ghost in a race of 7, so like right now I'd be up 1-0 on the Ghost. Also, missing and scratching counts as a lose, except if it's on the break. So, if you don't run out, you don't win. And this looks like a pretty good rack if that 7-ball wasn't there. I don't like the 7, but I guess I could get somewhere here on the 5 and still be fine. It's all about that 4-ball down there. I'm going to end up 2 straight, I think. Oh, God. I'm going to have to do a little bit of work here. That looks good right there. That's some good work right there. Now it's just about the 6-ball. 6-ball is going to be difficult now, but at least I get to continue. Got a long spot shot on the 6. I think if I make this and get position, I'm out. Okay, we got some sort of position. 8-ball is also in a very difficult place. Everything was all over the place in this rack. Uh-oh. We're in trouble now. Our chances of winning this rack just decreased by a ton. If I would have stopped right here, my chances would have been close to 100%, but now we're more like 30% now. Because I gotta bank this. Yeah, that was nowhere near. So that would be 1 point for the ghost. So you see how just one simple mistake. I didn't really make too many mistakes that rack. Just the 5 ball was in a difficult position. But just not landing perfect on that 8 ball is what screwed me over. So that'd be 1 point for me, 1 point to the ghost. I'm not sure how many racks I'm going to play. Just as much as I can fit in within about 10 minutes. And we're going to break off again. Okay, 6 balls going down. 5 ball again is a very tough ball here. The 3 goes, oh, but I have a 4-9 combo. I accept combinations if it's after the first 3 balls have been pocketed. So combinations on the 9 ball are okay after the first 3 balls. You cannot take ball in hand and shoot a 1-9 combo. Okay, let's look at this. Looks good if I go about there. Okay, so there is another rack for me. So I am at 2, the ghost is at 1. Let's get another rack in. Another dry break. I'm either messing up my rack or my break. We've got really unfortunate here. The 1 ball's on a spot where the only pocket is down there. This is highly unfortunate. Okay. I think if we land good on the 3 ball, we should be okay. Up there for the 5. Okay. Oh, and I have jacked it up. And I jacked up position too. So that's another example of how a minor lapse in focus and speeding up will cause you to lose this game. Okay, so that was all the time I had for this video. I hope you learned a little bit about Ghost Ball, what it is, how to play it. So beating the ghost is fairly difficult if you don't get some good rolls going your way. But just sticking with it, playing the ghost every night or every time you practice, something like that, will help improve your game drastically. And I cannot explain to you how much it will improve your game. So try to play the ghost a little more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you guys enjoy my content and you would like to see more, or you would like access to a super top secret class that I teach that only, I think 3 people are in right now. 3 or 4 people have access to this secret class. So if you want access to this class, click the link in my description to my Patreon. This is where you can support my channel with little monthly donations of $5 or $10 a month. And you get access and to secret classes. You get access to merchandise with discounts. You get access to autograph stuff, a ton of stuff. Your name is also mentioned in my video, so I'd like to mention my 2 patrons right now, Michael Leppelman and Robert McDonald. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. If you want to add your name onto that list, just click that link down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the